How to remove third-party website access from your Google account. If you've ever signed into WebArts apps using your Google account, some third-party services may still have access to your data. In this video, I'll show you how to remove third-party website connections from your Google account step by step. Let's begin. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Go to myaccount.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, tap or click on Security from the left menu. Now scroll down to the section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Here, you'll see a list of all websites and apps that have access to your Google account. Carefully review this list. Tap on any app or website you no longer use or don't recognize. Now select Remove Access. Google will show a confirmation message. Tap OK to confirm. That's it. The third-party website is now disconnected from your Google account. Repeat this process to remove access from all unnecessary apps. Important security tips: only keep apps you trust and actively use. Remove access immediately if you notice anything suspicious. After removing unknown apps, it's a good idea to change your Google account password. Enable two-step verification. Review recent security activity. This helps protect your account from future misuse. To summarize, open Google account settings. Go to Security. Review third-party connections. Remove access from unwanted websites and apps. That's all. This